Hello, everyone. Hello. So, welcome back to the live stream, and we're gonna start it in some 5 to 10 minutes. Give me some time. Let me just check that live stream is not like having delays because last time my friend told me that it have delays. So, let's check that first. Okay. I think yeah. I don't think so. Now we have a lot of delays in the live stream. I just check through my phone. Okay. So today I'm doing a little bit early because today is Eid and I want to spend time with my family in the afternoon. So yeah, we'll do it right now. Okay, looking at the daily time frame on gold. So what I'm expecting right now, I'm gonna mark this zone out because this is a stronger zone for support. And looking this bullish candle right now, we are doing a little bit of a retracement, you can say. So if we, I guess, break above this uh, high of the candle, we might expect some change in the trend. Okay, I'm gonna just mark it out properly. Okay, looking at the 4 hour time frame, it don't have the top wick, so we might come up to create a top wick as well. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are rejecting and breaking the highs of the previous candle. Okay, here's the thing. We just started doing the live stream, so we won't get into the trade immediately. What I would like to see on this zone, we are respecting this zone over here. So we might come up a little bit. If this candle close bullish, then I might see that next candle should push up. We might target around, let's say, how much pip we can get out of this range. That's around 57 pips. So 50 pips at least. Yeah, that's pretty good. So, and another thing is like if price do want to, continue moving up, we might expect a little bit more bullish momentum in New York session as well. And if it does break below this area, we might running into sells. So we'll wait at that point like 15 to 30 minutes before taking any trades. Look at the charts, see how it's like. Just do the observation in simple terms. Okay. Looking at the GBP USD, what do we see here? Okay. Let me go to daily time frame to just check on this zone. Okay, we did created this bearish candle. So if we do break below this, we might expect that price will continue going down. Okay. But if we break above this zone, out of this consolidation zone based on an hour and 30-minute time frame, what we can see is that price might continue going up. So there are two ways that this price can run out today. If we see prices breaking below, then we would like to see a retest of this zone because price may easily come down and reject and close above. Okay. And now, after breaking these lows, it will start going up, and that happens a lot. Do you trade supply and demand? Yeah, in simple terms, you can say basic support and resistance. Yes. Okay. So let me continue with the analysis. Where were we? On 30-minute time frame, as I said, price may come down, then go up. So what I'm expecting at this moment is to wait at least once the price touch this both any of this zone, then we might see you know price may go up, down, whatever we see. Okay, so I'll wait for that. Looking at the GBP JPY going on a daily time frame, price have rejected this area quite nicely. Look at this wick. First week, rejection. Second, break the high, still rejected and close bearish. So that gives us a better confirmation that price may continue going down. The only thing is we are still holding on to this support. Taking a look on a smaller time frame, 4 hours. So let me adjust my zones. Okay. So we are in this range right now. Okay. And before taking a trade on this one, we would like to see some breakout. Okay, we're just gonna wait on this one too. For gold, most likely I'm looking for price to close first, then we see how does it react, how the next candle does react. So that would be my analysis for this three pairs today. Let me know if I made any mistakes or anything. Like, everyone does make mistakes. So if you are looking the market at a different perspective or something like that, so chat is yours. Answer. Let me take a look at a 15-minute. We see a closure bullish, but not that strong. So no, no trade. We're gonna wait for 30-minute closure. Can you guys let me know if there is a delay in the live stream? Like if you are looking at the charts at the same time, take a look at the price. Like is it slowing, showing like little bit late on the stream than the current time? Because I did take a look. I think there is like minor difference of 4 to 5 seconds, which is not okay. There is no big problem with that. But last stream had a really big difference while I did the last stream. So I don't want like I took the trade and then you took it after a minute. So no point of that. No problem with the delay. Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, what do we have? Okay, guys, if you have any questions related to trading, ask me. Like, if you have like any questions, like funded accounts, prop firms, anything, just fire away. Okay, so there is not much volume today in the market based on the news. Yeah, yep, I think so too. So most likely we'll take a, today we'll try to save our capital, I guess. If there is not much volume, I don't expect price to move that quickly or something like that. So we might just range or something. So let's see. This would be a really good trade. If any of you have taken, like look at this. Price did create this high. Okay. Price did range, broke below. Okay. This was a fake out. Then price did went up a little bit. So if your stop loss was like, let's say, assuming that above this area, then you would have been in the trade, and it was a nice move till here. Gee, yeah, too bad. It's like everyone will be waiting for that move, like holding their breaths whenever we can take this one. And yeah, it was a Sunday move. It's like you fuck off, you. Guys, I have a question. Tell me, where is this guy? Huh? Where is this guy? Does anyone know him? Astro FX. These people are like fucking. I'm not gonna promote them on my stream. Nope. We might just start roasting people on trading, like people who just came into this industry to scam people and things like that. We just start a podcast for just, I don't know. I'm having like a really weird thoughts on that. Okay, we have 15 minutes. It's like trying to break below this area. We might see rejection though. So let's see. I mean, how many minutes we have? I think around 9 to 10 minutes before this candle closed. So yeah, we're gonna wait still because as I said that I need that this candle to like close bullish before we take any buys. So how do I balance my trading with everyday life? Good question. So basically, like, let's assume that I'm just 21 and I have like, I do not do college right now. I was doing college in last year. I was in Paris. So it was pretty hard. So I couldn't do live stream at that time because it was, to be honest, I didn't have time. So after I moved back to India here, so here I have time. I do my personal things, work and everything. Besides that, I spend around 2 to 3 hours trading a day. So yeah, that's it. I don't think so that like yeah, whenever you are learning about trading stuff, so yeah, in the starting it does require a lot of time, a lot of efforts, but after you learn it, after you know much things about market, then I think you just need to spend around 2 to 3 hours because trust me, like in the start when I started trading, I was spending around 6 to 7 hours or maybe more sometimes, and which results into over trading or doing other thing that I don't want to. So in simple terms, trading could be like an hobby for like 2 to 3 hours. It's enough. You don't need to spend your whole life or something like that. But if you ask me to spend a whole life on these things, I would love to because trust me, guys, like the knowledge it gives you is amazing. Like I didn't know about fundamentals. I didn't know about interest rates. I didn't know about a lot of things that happens in the financial world, which give me more knowledge. So I think if you are getting into this field, learn to things about economics and stuff like that, which will be useful, not just for like trading in your day-to-day life as well, I guess. Okay. GJ is like approaching the area, so yet we cannot take any trade. How do you manage to pressure that and comes with live stream? Thank you. So, as I said, like, so trading is a passion. To be honest, like, I do really love it. So, when you have passion for something, you like to do it, you will have your time. Trust me, So, no matter how busy you are, you will take some amount of your time and do things that you like. So, which is good for your mental health and your life, I guess. And sorry for the weird cutout. I mean, like, I was checking like why there is so much noise behind my house. So there is a construction or something going on. So if you guys are having issue, hey, I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Fine. Any trades taken? Not yet, brother. We are looking at the setups at the moment. So I did explain it right before, but I will explain it for you right now. So we are looking at the gold. So previously there was a support over here. So what we are expecting that price may, reverse a little bit, come at this around point. So most likely we'll take a buy, but before we take any buys, we are waiting for this candle to close bullish and next candle to react a little bit nicely. Then we can take further trades because if we look at the 15-minute time frame, there's a one bullish candle, but this candle have already broken the low. So I don't think so that that counts as a better entry point, you know. Besides that, if we look at the other things like GBP USD, I'm expecting that price should at least fake out or break above and do a retest before taking any trades on both of the time frame. Because mostly I have seen GBP USD and GBP JPY doing this kind of a fake out, come back again and closed in the range. So that's why I'm expecting a retest before taking any trades on this both time frame. I mean both pairs. Sorry. How's the weekend, guys? How's the weekend? I think still there is like delay into the live stream, according to me. Oh no, no, no. I was behind in like Okay, yeah. So I think we have 1 minute left, and 30-minute candle is looking pretty nice. So we're gonna wait for the next candle to open up, and if we have a wick at the top, if it does break the high of the previous candle, we might take the trade. So let's see. And our stop loss should be like 36 pips. Oh my god. In order to target around 50 pips. Okay. Oh shit. There is no top week, guys. Oh, I guess we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're not gonna rush into any trade. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see like how this can react. Okay. Mm, Tell me, guys, what do you think? Will this candle reverse and break the low and continue going down? Or will this candle come back down and the next candle could break the highs and continue going up? What do you think? What are the scenarios that could play out? Send me your, screenshot or something. If you don't, I don't know if you can send it here or not, but if you can't, then I have put my Discord link into the chat. Join there, send me the screenshot, and we'll take a look. What do you think of your market will move towards 2326? Uh-huh. Well, I'm expecting that too, but looking at this, no big candle might not be helpful. Because look at this 15-minute candle. Yeah, we have a three bullish candle, which is really good, but there is no top wick, and it have broken the low. So that is like a little bit confusing, you can say. So should we take a trade or not? We can take a small amount of risk, but yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it happens sometimes. Like if you go to MetaTrader 4, 5, uh, the difference is the broker is like they have a different 4-hour candles. I don't know why, which is pretty confusing sometimes. So if you have not noticed, like yeah, that's true. Sometimes it's different than the other charts you look at it, but the price are moving the same way. It's just the difference around like an hour or so. I have calculated a long time ago. So let me take a look. I'll show you why it's happening. Okay. So let me go to 4 hour. Yeah. So here we have, let's see. Let me go to 4 hour. Okay. We have three candles. How many we have for? Okay. Oh yeah, we have the same candle. So like it depends. So when you search gold, there is a different broker like from Wanda, forex.com, FX Open. So it does have some of them have a different, 4 hour candles. So Hope you understand that. Okay, 30-minute candle have flipped bullish. And let me take a look at the 5-minute time frame. What do we see? Break of the price action. Interesting. Okay, next candle have open up. I think this will be a fake out, to be honest. I don't think so that it will continue go up right now. I'm expecting there will be a two, this one bullish candle, and I think this will close bullish, but it will be around this area, 2, 3, 2, 1. It will go high that much only, and then we can, I think, expect the trend to continue. So we might get into sells instead of a buys. How long do we have? I think we have an hour for 4 hour to close. So we might see the volume in the closing time, most likely. Hey, what's up with GBP USD? Yeah, brother, with GBP USD we have. So prices in the range. I'm not expecting yet to take any trades on this in this between. Like if I want to take any trade, I'm expecting a breakout and a retest before taking any trades. So most likely we'll wait on this one because I'll tell you why I'm waiting for a breakout. If you go to past price actions, okay. So take a look. We had a resistance, price did break above, but then again consolidation. Price might come down a little bit. So if you are taking trades with the right stop loss, like doing a scalping base, then this would be a stop out for you. So most likely GBP, JPY, and GBP USD have a lot of breakouts. So I would like to see some retest of the price and then continuation of the trend. Then we can take the trade. So let me know if you have any different perspective on GBP USD. So we have, I guess, 22 minutes. So once this candle do close, okay, then we'll see how the next candle do oops, open up. Okay, let me know like if you have any questions or something. So what will get your entry right now? I need to. Give me a second. Okay, give me a second. So what get me into trading? Like when I started, why did I started? You mean? Like I started because of the binary option, to be honest. Okay. Sorry for that, guys. I guess this construction guys are like making too much noise. So sorry if you are having disturbance into the live stream, but yeah. So yeah, when I started trading, it was because of the binary option, you know, quickly get rich scheme. So I was doing that, and then I get interested into these things, which got me into real trading thing, that what is forex and other things. So most likely because of that, I have started trading, and after that, I have not never stopped. I have gone through a lot of things, a lot of courses, a lot of online course and everything. Yeah, everything did help me. I cannot say that it didn't help me. Some scammers, uh, I don't want to talk about scammers, to be honest. Like there is a lot of them, you know. Okay, so as I said on the gold, we might start taking sells. So if we see any closure below this area, okay, of on 30-minute time frame, then I think sells will be a good opportunity because we need to follow the trend, you know. So and we have around how many minutes left? 17 minutes left for 1 hour and 30 minutes to be closed. Okay. And for 4 hour time frame, we still have some time. So right now, taking the trade. Mhm. Okay. We have this zone. Where is this? Okay. So yeah, we need a closure below this area, or maybe price should close at this point, but next candle should go up a little bit, retest, and then continue. Okay, price is approaching this level, and we have still around 15 to 16 minutes left. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, okay, yeah, 15-minute time frame, we I guess we need to wait. Sorry, what do we have on? Okay, price is looking for a breakthrough here. This one did rejected the top. Okay, 15-minute candle did closed. So the only reason I cannot take a trade on 15-minute time frame is because we have a wick at this point, and this could easily reject that point and you know turn up. and take the highs again. So we do not need to take that risk. So we're gonna wait for the closure of the 30-minute time frame, which is in 14 minutes, 20 seconds. Okay, we are seeing some rejection. Let me take a look at the 50-minute time frame. So is your gold favorite pair? Um, it's not like it's a favorite pair, but like, yeah, I have spent most of my time watching this pair. So yeah, you can say it's a favorite pair, but trust me, that is my there is nothing like favorite dislike, because if you ask me like why I have chosen only these three pairs is because gold only have more volume in London and New York session, most likely in New York session. Okay. GBP JPY have volume in Asian session, and GBP USD have in London and uh, New York session sometime. So it's because of the volume, you understand? So we have three pairs for three time zones, I think. Let's say if I'm looking at the gold in the London session, most likely I'll wait for more confirmation to take the trade. But at the same time, if I am taking a trade in New York session for gold, then I might take the chance and do a impulse entry, like with less confirmation, but I'll go with my guts that yeah, price will move in on this way. So see, just as I explained, right? 15-minute candle, what it did, break the law of the candle and just directly reverse to the upside. Okay. So that's what I was like afraid that it might reject and well, which exactly what it did. So we have still 11 minutes left before closure of the 30-minute candle. We're gonna wait. Guys, if you are just watching the live stream, just don't watch. Chat with me, ask me questions. It might be a little bit interesting, like we all are here to learn things from each other. Okay. Yeah. So would go long. Yet we cannot say anything because see what price did over this period here, right? Like when come down, it did come down, mm, and it made a new lows, but right now it didn't make the new low. So that means that price have rejected. Okay. So once the 30-minute candle do closed, and if it do close like bullish, then that count as a rejection, I think. So what we need for the next 30-minute candle to do is to go a little bit down, retest this whatever we have zone on a 50-minute or 5-minute time frame before breaking the high of the previous candle. So you might take the trade. So I don't think so. I have much time as well. So we'll end the live stream after half an hour or so because today I need to go out as well. We might continue going live tomorrow and we'll do for like 2 to 3 hours London and New York session. I guess. What do we have? What do we have on GBP USD? We're still waiting. Okay. So we have around 7 minutes left. If this candle do break the high of the previous candle, then I think that is the okay. So we have around how much we have left. So next 1 hour candle will start in 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. So 1 hour will close bullish. That gives us more confirmation that price may reject and continue going up. But for 1 hour to close and next candle to open, we might need to wait around 15 minutes more to take the trade at this point. But you know what next candle can do is just break the lows as well. So we do not want to go against the trend. We are waiting for a trend to give us more confirmation that it can change for even a short period of time. Let me switch on 5 minute time frame because next 5 minute candle is important because it will be closer for 30 minutes and 1 hour. So we might need to see how does it react? How does the last candle does react? If it breaks the high immediately, then we might see a continuation till here. Here we have 5 minute candle did open without the top wick. So there is a more bearish pressure, I guess. But we will see. We still have around 3 minute 40 second left for the closure. Tell me, guys, what do you think? What will happen here? Will we see a more sells or buys? You guys have around 3 minutes left to answer the question. Let's see. Let's see. No, I do not have any target on my account. Um, I have only one target through this live stream with my account is to stay disciplined and protect my capital. That's it. Because if I set a target, uh, I will have emotions that I will have a pressure that I need to achieve it. And I don't want that right now. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. So now we have rejected this wicks. Okay, so I'm gonna move my zone at this support zone like for the candle wise, because if we see a break below of this candle now, then we might take the trade if the price do break below this lows. Okay, 1 minute 28 seconds for the candle closure. Let's see. Look at this. Oh my god. 1 minute left. Mhm. This is going to be a tough little bit, guys, because looking at the 1 hour time frame, uh, price can reject. How much pips we can get out of this one? Here we go, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we got the new candle. Interesting. It's still respecting the support here. It did close above on 30 minute. So which means that if there is no top wick at the candle, okay, and price to continue going down, we cannot take sells. Okay, so I don't think so. We see any volume at the moment on this candle because it's a closure for 1 hour time frame, and I guess it will, see move down or move up. Let's see, because for 4 hour time frame we have this is the last 1 hour candle. So either we see a little bit of a upside before. Okay, on the flip of this 15-minute candle, I'm gonna take a small buy with a 0.05 risk. Okay, and I'm gonna put my stop loss below 2311. Yeah, below those zones, because remember guys, I have taken a 50% of my risk. Usually I use around 0.10 lot size. Okay, right now I have used 0.05, so I still have around 0.05 to take put into this trade. Okay, I'm gonna target around the high of this. Let's go. Let's see what do we have. Once I see that 15-minute candle have broken the high of this areas, okay, that could be a good confirmation to enter for another 0.05. So that's what I'm waiting for. This is based on my guts that price will move up at this point, and at least it will go around 2323 or something. Yeah. What was the confirmation for me to go long? So I have waited for like this 1 hour candle to close. Okay. And when this 1 hour candle, the new candle did open, did went down, but it didn't break the lows of the candle and then flip bullish. So that gives me more confirmation that price will first break the high of the previous candle before, it will close something like this. Like it will go up and made a huge wick, and that's what I'm counting on. Besides that, on a 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, we had a closure, a lot of bullish candle. Another candle lit closed, but didn't break the support at this point. So we're gonna wait that price. I mean, we got the confirmation that price was rejecting this area again and again. So based on that, I have taken like 50% of my risk. So not the 100% risk, only 50%. So this is not the full trade. I'm gonna enter another trade after break of this highs, most likely. And guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. Yeah, the spreads are good on this broker. Yep. Like how much spread we have? Let me see. Wait a second. Where can I see? I think in the symbol. Yeah, spread is 1.5, 1.6 something right now. So yeah, we are approaching the high of the candle. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, price is looking good. So now what we want is move our stop loss below the okay. The reason I move my stop loss right now that we got more confirmation on 15-minute as well that it will break the high of the previous candle and might continue going up. So now if this 30-minute candle do flip bearish and broke this lows, then it's not good. See? Oh, yet we have not broken. So we're gonna wait. Yeah. Sorry, I had to attend a call. Okay. 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 Tell me guys, what do you think? Like how is my trade? Is it good? Is it a good setup? So we have around how many minutes left? Okay, 2 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to be closed. So let's see how the next candle do react, how the next 15-minute candle work out. So if we see any big belows or something like that. Hey, okay, 1 minute, 30 seconds. So as I said that I will enter a trade if the price do take the high, and it did right now, but I'm not gonna enter. The reason is that this candle will close in a minute. So I'm gonna enter on the next candle and I'll see how that candle is reacting. So based on that, I will enter another trade. We have 50 seconds left, so you're just gonna wait. We have around 6 people watching. Guys, like leave a like at least. What do we have? What do we have? Around like 4 likes. Let me get more 2 likes. Let me get like 2 likes more. I know you can do it. Okay, new candle just open with the no top wick. Okay, so on 30-minute time frame, we are approaching the high of the previous candle, and yeah, so this is going to be an interesting one because taking a trade right now is a little bit. Let's take a 0.05. That's right. Putting stop loss below the previous candle, current candle. Let me go on a 15-minute time frame to manage my stop loss on both trades. I guess how much we are losing. Okay, around 30 or something. I'm gonna put my TP as usual. Okay, now we are at the full rest. We are already up around $13. We have just taken a trade. The only reason I have not put my stop loss below this candle is because it's not enough room for my trade to go or move around, you can say. Okay. So based on 30-minute time frame, I am expecting that price will continue going up till around this area. Let's have a let's have a look. Let me secure this one at least. I guess we can move stop loss at break even on this one. How is the 1 hour time frame looking? Didn't nice up? Like there's a clear price continuation till this point. So let me move my TP at this point. Just marking my take profit properly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close one position and I'll let the one position run. So I guess I'm gonna let this one run. Most likely I'll just secure my profit and I'll be done for the day. Okay, we are approaching a resistance on a 5-minute time frame where price might, reject now. Now we just need to wait. We can manage our trade, but I don't think so yet. We need to manage anything. So we're gonna wait. We have how much? How many? Okay, we have 9 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. So most likely, if this candle at least close like this one, so we'll wait for the next candle to be open and see how does it react. Because you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, price is breaking the high of the previous candle, and it might continue going up at least this point. Or you can just even target around 2, 3, 2, 4, or 2, 5. Right. Okay. This one is pretty nice because if this candle did close bullish, but there's no wick at the bottom, in the next 5 minutes, I think it might come down, it might not come down. Because take a look, there's no top bottom, sorry, top wick at the previous candle, nor the this one. So this gives us a sign there is a lot of buying pressure at this point, according to me. That's the way I look at the candles sometimes. Still, we have 8 minutes left for this candle to close. So what can happen is that price can come down, make a wick, close at least above this, our end, above the entry point. Okay. Oh, today is such a good weather. Hmm. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh, yeah, we are looking at the 30-minute and okay, we have 5 minutes left. Oh, sorry, 6 minutes left. Okay, last 5 minute candle. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So this candle will close in 40 seconds. So how the next candle does react, which is important for 30-minute closure. Yep. Who have taken a trade with me? Let me see in the chat. Guys, have you taken the trade? Okay, new 15-minute, sorry, 5-minute candle lit open just now. Okay, okay. So it did started reacting. It's approaching to break of the previous candle lows, which is like good in one way that it might be, retesting these areas and continue go up. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the 30-minute and 15-minute. We have last 5-minute candle and see if it does do a retest, how might the next candle could go up. Okay. Will it break the lows of the previous candle? But I think it's still struggling at this point. Okay, last 3 minute or the 30-minute and candle to closed. Last 3 minutes, guys, last 3 minutes. What we see. Okay, last 1 minute, 30 seconds for the candle to be closed. Guys, I need to attend a call. Give me a second. Yeah, sorry. So, okay, I don't have much time. I have only 10 to 15 minutes left. So what we're gonna do, let me tell you guys that how can I secure my position? Okay, I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. Once this candle is closed, we see. Okay. If the candle do break the highs, then I guess if we start approaching this area, which is good. So here's the live example when I said like you can, go with your gut feeling when you do trade for like, 3 to 4 years. You have that feeling that price will go up from here. So this was here, that was 50% of that, and 50% was the confirmation. So with this new 30-minute candle and 15-minute candle, okay, quite good. So what I would like to see, if there is any break of the highs, I might move my stop losses to below this current candle low. Okay. But hopefully it doesn't, just continuously go down, which is doing right now, which might not be good. Okay, let's take a look at the 5 minute. Ooh, okay. We are approaching this zone. So I mentioned that we might do a retest. This could be the retest, but pretty aggressive retest, which I can say that. So it's a little bit risky to be honest, huh? So let's wait, I guess. 5 minutes more. I'm just waiting for this because there is no top wick on this candle, which gives us more confirmation that price will anyway will come up and break the highs at least once to create the top wick. So I'm counting on that. Let's see. Okay, as we have a clean candle at this point, I would like to move my stop loss exactly below us. So for 30 minutes, if it's still respecting the low of the candle, then we have enough room for the both trade to run out. Okay. So yeah, still the same take profit. It just in case because sometimes if a spread go wider or price just come down in touch in reverse, which we do not want that candle to close on that. So I'm gonna put my stop loss with a stronger support, something like that you can say. What will make me close the trade? Okay, so for me to exit the trade is I think I'm risking around 21 $27 on this trade. So most likely if it hit the stop loss, it close the trade. I mean, that's it. That is my exit entry, exit point, a stop loss. So besides it, I do not think so. There is any way I would like to close the trade around this area because price might reject, at least come back up. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. How many? Okay, we have 10 seconds left for this candle to close. Okay. So next candle might, go a little bit down around my entry point. Okay. Then we might see some rejection. Okay. Okay. We are still waiting for this 5 minute candle to take the lows and reject, or right now, even if it reject and go up, it's good to. We have 8 minutes left for the 15 minute candle to close. Too. So like if the next 15 minute candle do open up and take this lows, then yeah, I think price will reject and continue the trend. That's what we can see. So even count that this is the we have only around 23 minutes left for this 4 hour candle to close. So this is the last 30-minute candle for 4 hour. Okay. So we can see volume in a lot of ways as a closure of the 4 hour candle. Besides, sorry, sorry for that. Yeah. So, so as I was saying that we can see volume anyways that as a closure of the 4 hour candle and as a open of the new 4 hour candle. So we have two ways that volume can go up. Okay, so we're gonna wait. This is a time for volume. So if price do recheck and break the highs, we're gonna move stop loss exactly below this candle. Yeah, sorry for that. I think construction will go till 5 or 6 p.m. and it's around like 2 p.m. only. Okay, we are seeing some rejection. Let me take a look on 5 minute time frame. Price is rejecting, so which is good. So we just need to see the breaking the highs of the previous candle, and yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess I need to go now, guys. Like I'll keep you updated on this trade through my Discord group. I have put the link in the chat, so join through that to get updated through my this trading idea. And if I close it out or if I move stop loss or anything, I'll update on the Discord. So yeah, that's it. Before I go, if you have any questions, I'll give you next 5 minutes to ask. So fire away right now. And I'm sorry for that. I mean, like, I cannot do anything at this moment. So we have new 5 minute candle open up in now. Okay. So this is the 5 minute candle, and I'll give you guys this candle to ask any question. So last 5 minutes. So if we see a break below, touching this zone, break above, let's see what we see. Three minute 37 seconds. Okay, we have 2 minutes left to wait for the new this 5 minute candle to closed and new 15 minute candle to start. Okay, 1 hour left. 1 minute left, guys. After that, I will end the live stream. And thank you for being part of this. What your risk to reward? So, what my risk to reward? I do not like calculate through my risk to reward. I calculate like, let's say, for an example, if I'm targeting around $30, then my risk should be below that. Okay. So you can see right now I'm risking around $27, but which is equal. So you can say 1 to 1 risk to reward, not much. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, I'll end the live stream. The last minute left. Guys, give me a second. I'm having a okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Sorry for okay. New 15-minute candle will open up right now. Good thing is it's still above this area, so which gives us a support and continuation to the upside. At least break the high of the 30-minute candle and continuation. So yeah, I guess that's it. Guys, thank you for being part of this trading journey. And to get updated through this trade, join my Discord group. I'll update that. I guess, yeah. I hope I see you all in the next live stream tomorrow at this like 2 p.m. Indian time zone or 2:30. At that time, I'll be here. I'll be start the live stream or maybe later on. Okay, yeah. This is looking good. Okay. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.